Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Group Behavior of Organizational Behavior. So the first topic is organization structure. What is organization structure? It is a formal system which is defining the task of each employee or also define to whom the employee has to report. So it is a formal system of task or and reporting relationship that control, coordinate and motivate employees so they can work together. Without it, it would be chaos regarding who is responsible for what. So if it is the tasks are not being divided, if the goals are not being divided to the task, who is having what work and not divided, at that time all employees get confused to whom they have to report, what work to be done. So for that, the organization structure is very important and it is a formal system of tasks and reporting relationships. Next, the process of formation. So how the organization structure is formed? First, whenever the organization is formed, at the time before forming the organization, they first define the objectives of the organization. Objective in the case what the organization want to achieve, what are the goals of organization. Then they will list out each and every task to achieve the goal, what task, what activities need to be done. Next, departmentation. Next, after they list out all the tasks, they will group the similar activities together, like all marketing, all accounts, all finance, all these similar activities they will group, and they prepare the department, that is departmentation. After making the departments, they will assign the duties. So giving specific role to specific people based on their skills, based on the skills each department having the employees, they having based on their skills, they give the, they assign the duties. Then after delegation of authority. Next, granting managers the power to make decisions and make order. Now departments have been made, each got their roles. Now there should be one person to manage everything, right? So granting managers the power to look after everything. Next, the most common structures used in modern organizations. So there are the four structures we are going to look after here: the functional structure, divisional structure, matrix structure, and team based structure. So let's start with the functional structure. What is functional structure? Functional structure is most common formation method. In this, they are grouping the department based on functionalities. How based on functionalities? Like in our college, there are many colleges are there. So in that college, they will divide blocks like engineering block, pharmacy block, diploma blocks. So in that way, based on the functionality, they are dividing the departments, they are dividing complete block. That is what the functional structure. Next, divisional structure. In the divisional structure, they divide based on some similarities only, but that division is again working like again organization only. How the organization divided into semi autonomous unit. Semi autonomous unit, they are working on their own. How? In our colleges we have different departments like computer science department, EC department, triple E, civil, mechanical, right? And each department is having one HOD, different faculties and all. Okay, so they work their like their autonomous unit, right? So here divisional structure is also the same. The college is divided into departments. The departments again they are working, they are having one head as HOD, then faculties and all these. Here the example as given, Samsung having separate divisions for mobile, home appliances and semiconductors. Next, matrix structure. Matrix structure, when this matrix structure is used, it is used when employees having two bosses, when employee has to report to two bosses as functional manager, product manager. There are many organizations who are working on a very large scale. So simultaneously they have to handle complex projects, and they have simultaneously they have to report to two new managers, a functional manager, a project manager. So this kind of things will go on. Here the example is given as an aerospace company where an engineer reports to engineering head, but also has to report the Mars rover project leader, because simultaneously they have to handle the both cases. Next, here it is a like chart is there, like CEO is there. We are dividing it into different departments. These different departments again they are having some financial advisor, accounting manager, all this look after that. Okay, team based structure. Team based structure, here the entire organization is made up of horizontal work group. How horizontal work groups work. So let me show you. Okay, so how horizontal work group, man, this is organization is there. Okay, I'm writing go. Next, organization, it is having different work, different functionalities. Based on that, employees are working, like one accountant, one manager, one finance manager. All these are the employees. So these employees can interact with the owner directly, to the main CEO of the organization directly. So this is what the horizontal work groups or teams that perform organizational work. So here it eliminates the departmental barriers, decentralizes decision making to the people closest to work. The example is software development firms using Scrum team. This is all about the structure. Thank you.